My astronaut is here. You see how he dressed. Today is another episode of cleaning. Yes, it's another episode of cleaning. My guy is here to clean. Friday, even though he's still here to clean the salon, so the salon can be clean, good vibe, good energy. Yeah. So we are ready for you tomorrow, snow or no snow. Come, okay, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? We are here. This is Alberti Couture Salon. Yeah, we clean every day. You know what I'm saying? Every day, every night. It's another episode. Come to Alberti Couture Salon. Alberti Couture Salon is 24 hours salon. We do everything. You see, this customer is almost 2 a.m. but she's doing the lock extension. Okay, so blah 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 blah. So it's Saturday. Yeah, it's Saturday. So come to us. We do everything. We cut hair, we do weave, color, we do lock, we do keratin treatment, we do wave nouveau, we do all type. My dear, we have